Ever notice your monthly course income dip but can't figure out why? Those silent declines from expired or failed cards can quietly drain your recurring revenue. Here's a quick way to stay on top of failed course payments. Open Google Sheets and log each transaction that did not go through. Add notes when you've reached out or when a student updates their card. It is simple, but it still means manually checking and reminding students every billing cycle. That's where EasyPay Direct helps protect your recurring income. Their decline recovery feature improves your approval ratios and reduces decline rates, so more payments go through on the first try. Combined with recurring billing, it helps keep your students enrolled and your revenue steady. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their smart processing and recurring billing tools keep your payments consistent. Don't let failed payments quietly cut into your revenue. With EasyPay Direct, you can reduce declines, improve approvals, and keep your recurring income flowing. Click the link in the description to get started today.